You ready for this whooping?
I don't have time.
You don't have time?
No, what are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about? Give me the belt so you can get a whooping.
This goes around your way.
No.
Not on your butt.
CJ, it's whooping time. Come here, hand me the belt. You ready?
I don't have time for this. Look, let's talk about it. I don't have to eat a whooping, and I don't have to pay me.
Wait, come here. You repeat that?
Huh?
It's time for this whooping.
Well, I don't have time for you.
You don't have time for me. How you don't have time for me in this whooping time?
Because you always gotta go on your own. Always.
CJ. Come on. Put your pants down. Put your pants down.
Look.
I'm listening.
I don't want you to get hurt. I don't want you to get me hurt.
Get you hurt?
Yeah. In pain.
In pain?
Yeah. That means it will hurt. So I don't want you to get me hurt. Or pain.
CJ, you did something you weren't supposed to do. So it's time for a whooping.
Look, I don't have time for this. Look, I don't have time for this. Yeah, I don't have time for this.
How you ain't got time for me?
Good.
You better come here, boy.
You are the only one in the big trouble.
Who? I'm the only one in big trouble.
Yes.
No, you in big trouble.
No, you are.
No, come here.
No, what are you doing?
Come here.
No.
CJ, you're supposed to knock. Get out. Get out. London. Hey. Where's Willa? What? Who? Don't make your face like that to me. What's wrong with you? Who you think you talking to, cuz? Get out. Get down. What are you scrunching up your little hands at? Get out. Get down. Huh? I said get down. I said get down. Who's with it? Get down. There you go. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Get down.
Yay. You gonna do what? What? I'm gonna kick your butt. You gonna kick my butt? Yeah. You poo. You better stop talking mess. You poo. What did I say? You fat. I'm fat? Turn around. Turn around. You turn around the bed. Who you talking to? You want a whooping? No. Then you better turn around right now. You better turn it around. You better. Woo. Hey. You better stop talking. You better stop talking. You about to get a whooping, dude. You got a big whooping. Keep on.
Keep on.
You done? Turn around.
I'm done.
You not done. Turn around. Turn around. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2. Yeah, you better. Turn around. And stay in the... Trey, I'm about to get up here and whoop you right now. Turn around. You better not get out that corner.
No!
Turn around. You done?
Yeah.
I say when you're done. You don't say when you're done.
Yes, baby.
No. Are you going to tell Kobe sorry?
No.
Tell Kobe sorry, and you can get out the corner.
No.
Tell Kobe sorry, and
No.
okay, stay in the corner then.
No.
Tell him sorry.
No.
Okay, turn around.
No.
Okay, you about to get a whooping.
No.
You about to get a whooping.
No. No.
You ready? I'm about to whoop you now.
No.
Tell the dog sorry.
No.
Tell him sorry.
No.
Are you serious?
No.
Are you serious?
No.
Tell the dog sorry.
No.
Okay, it's whooping time.
No.
Tell him sorry.
No.
Okay, stay in the corner then.
No. No.
Turn around. Since you're not going to listen,
No.
turn around.
No.
I was trying to let you out, but you don't want to say sorry.
You're a butt face.
I'm a what?
You're a butt face. You can't. You cannot go with me. I have to go home. There he goes again. You know that? I have to go home. No. You stay here. I go home. I want to go home in it. You can't come with me.
Come in here, Jackson.
Jackson, come here.
Come in here and talk to him. Quietly.
You can't come with me.
Sit on the steps.
No. She's here. You can't come with me. She's here.
Stay here.
No. She's here. You stay here. You stay here. No, you stay here. No, you stay here. No, you stay here. I'm gonna get a lot of trouble here. Okay? So I have to go home. You stay here. No, you stay here. I want to go home. I have to go home. You stay here. Okay? No, I didn't go home. No, I have to go. You stay here. I want to go home. I have to go all the way down here. No. All the way down to Florida. No. Yeah. Yeah. I have to go to Florida. You have to stay in Georgia. I'm not going to Georgia.
I'm not going to Georgia.
You have to stay here. I'm going to Georgia. You can't come with us. We are going back to our home.
Don't put him on yet, baby. We're not going right this second.
I want to go to
Okay, that's their house. I cannot take you to their house. You stay at her house.
You don't want to stay in Georgia. You want to live in Florida, don't you? Tell Uncle Glenn I want to live in Florida. I want to say, go Gators. Go Gators.
Don't even.